So this is our first lesson of Unit 8. And first of all we started with a warm-up just to recap what we did at the end of Unit 7, which was FOIL. I've said you can use the box method as well if you prefer. So this is the type of question where we're doing this thing. So x plus 3 times x plus 3. So I'm going to put x, because it's positive 3, I'm just going to put 3. I'm going to multiply these, and then x plus 3, and x plus 3. And then we just fill in the boxes depending on what multiplication we get. So x times x, x squared, x times 3, 3x, 3 times x, 3x, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Now a lot of people in class are actually stopping at this point, but you need to continue and see if there's any like terms here. Normally when you use the box method, ones on these diagonals are normally the ones that combine. So 3x add 3x is 6x, so your answer is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now I also threw in ones where it says squared. Now remember, squared means that you multiply by itself, so x minus 5 squared just means x minus 5 times x minus 5, and then you can do the same method. On the third one I didn't put that little reminder there, so you need to know that this means 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1, and then go ahead and go through that procedure. And if you pause the video, you could actually try all 6 questions, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you what the answers actually are. So I've put all the 4 terms in here, and then I've shown you how these 2 terms combine to give you this answer here. Now there is a few things to notice, particularly on 4, 5 and 6. Now what happens here is the middle 2 terms, negative 7x plus 7x, gives you 0x. So we're not going to put 0x in there because that's just 0. And the same for this, negative 6x plus 6x is going to cancel. And positive 10x take away 10x is also going to cancel. So the thing to notice about this, when this actually happens, is it's when we have exactly the same terms, but one of them is positive and one of them is negative. So we've got x plus 7, x minus 7, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. It didn't do it up here because we actually had identical terms, 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. So if you have that term where you have one positive and one negative, keep an eye out for that type of question, that you are going to get that simplifying. Now there is a name that goes with that. This is actually called difference of squares. The reason being is 49 is 7 squared, and x squared is x times x. So there is a quick way of actually working these questions out when that actually happens. So that was our warm-up that we did today.